Do you know that your phone is constantly tracking you, what you do, listen to your conversation, and it monitors which apps you use, what you write, and what you find on the internet? These features are enabled by default on every Android phone in today's video, so I'm going to show you how to disable these features on phone because they quickly drain your battery, slow you down, and basically just make your phone worse. So just go into settings, go into Google, over to all services, and just right here you can see privacy and security, where you have, for example, the personals using shared data, which I prefer you turn off, disable on all of these apps, because they track your data and how you use the apps, and this drains your battery very fast. So disabling it all. After that, you go over to privacy and security and usage and diagnostics. This also drains your battery and sends over data to Google how you use your device. So also turn that off. And after that, go over to ads. And over here, this is what tracks your device. So when you speak to your phone, you may constantly see ads that appear as you speak. So I would prefer you go into advertising ID and reset it, and then go over to delete advertising ID, click delete advertising ID, and this makes that it no longer tracks your advertising ID and it doesn't show you personalized ads. So thank you for watching, and leave a like and subscribe.